Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching Grammaring, English Grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss a vocabulary, English in a minute. The vocabulary we are going to discuss is quotidian. Quotidian. Quotidian is an adjective. It describes a noun. How to pronounce this word quotidian? Quotidian. So, quotidian means unremarkable. Unremarkable. Can you correctly use the word quotidian in a sentence? Quotidian excursions to the post office or banks can create valuable opportunities for the boredom too. So, quotidian is a fancy way of saying ordinary, daily, or ordinary. Quotidian events are the everyday details of life. When you talk about the quotidian, you are talking about the little things in life, everyday events that are normal and not that exciting. Example, going to the shop, doing course, going to school, brushing your teeth, all are quotidian things. If you take a spaceship to the Mars, that would be unusual and extraordinary, the opposite of quotidian. So, quotidian means routine, ordinary, mundane. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this video informative, please like, share and subscribe. Here is a homework for you. Frame a simple sentence using the word quotidian and post it in the comment box. Thank you.